I have not observed the pillion rider wearing helmet, and if I go by the figures of say 2016, we lost around 45 people. Those were pillion rider in two-wheeler motorcycle accident. Out of total 336, 42 were pillion rider, and the culture of wearing helmet by pillion rider is not there. This year also we have lost many people, and every year we are losing to 40 to 50 people of pillion rider. Since the culture of wearing helmet is not there for pillion rider, we are going to enforce it. The pillion rider will also be prosecuted for not wearing of helmet. It is as good as not wearing of helmet. They will be fined. A good quality full face covering ISI helmet will only be considered as helmet with stripe, with fastening of stripe. If your stripe is also opened, it is as good as not wearing of helmet. It is covering full of your head. See, from this portion to this portion, full of your helmet and ISI mark, along with you are closing the stripes also, fastening the stripe, then it will be considered as helmet, but it should be ISI mark proper two-wheeler helmet. We will start the enforcement very soon. We are trying to educate now people. The number of people we are losing every year. So we are trying to educate them, and to say very soon we will start it. Just educating them now.
Okay, you will be educating from today.
Yeah, we are educating since many days, but the intensity has now increased explicitly for pillion riders. For coming 15-20 days, we will educate the people.